Hey guys, what's up? It's Tori. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and coming to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to do this golden eye look with this super pretty lighting sitting outside literally in the middle of the street. My sister and her boyfriend are here too, eating Subway, and I am sitting in the road doing my makeup. So without further ado, let's get started. Just like my first makeup video, I'm going to prep my skin with the Weleda Skin Food. I really love to use this as a primer, and it also kind of doubles down as like a first step highlighter. It makes my skin nice and glowy and helps all of my other products blend. I'm going to take the Glossier Stretch Concealer and just apply this under my eyes to conceal any dark shadows and sort of all over my face, blending it in with the Weleda Skin Food. And this is sort of how I substitute foundation because I don't really like to have a full face of foundation, but I do like to get decent coverage, and I feel like this Glossier concealer kind of does that for me. I'm also having a conversation with my sister throughout this video, so that's who I'm talking to. I promise it was not anything important. I'm going to go in with another Glossier product, the Cloud Paint in shade Beam. I really like this shade when I'm doing something a little bit more intense on the eyes because it's not super detectable because it's so nude, but it just sort of warms up the face in a really nice way. I'm just going to brush up my brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I have not had my brows done in probably like 3 months now, and they are starting to look a little bit scary, but this gel does help a tiny bit with that. I'm patting the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette anywhere that I put the Glossier concealer and just sort of all over my face to set all of those cream products. I really like this powder because it doesn't really show up on the skin and it still gives a nice glow. I'm going to use this highlighter from Tata Harper in the shade Very Flashy, and this shade literally just looks like sunshine on your face. It's this beautiful golden tone that looks super natural, and when I had the idea to do this video, I knew I needed to include it. I'm also going to take it and just put it on the collarbones a little bit and on the shoulders because, to quote Patrick Ta, a glowy cheek without a glowy shoulder is a total no-no. I'm tightlining my eyes with this Nars eye pencil just really quickly to define the lash line a little bit more, so just going right along the waterline, and it's okay if it's a little bit messy. I just smudged out with my fingers. Now for the fun part, I'm going to use this Inc.credible golden jelly, and I think this product's actually been discontinued, which I didn't find out until after I filmed this video, so I'm sorry for using a discontinued product for like the whole look. But I'll find something similar and link it down below. But working with these kinds of textures, you're going to find that it definitely creases, and it's okay to just have it be a little bit messy. I am using a brush to kind of pat this in, but your fingers work really well too when working with like a glossy gel like this. And just embrace the fact that you are going to need to do tons and tons of layers, and that regardless it's going to crease. I'm going to use just a few coats of the YSL The Shock Mascara to define the lashes. I think it's really important when doing such a statement like these gold glitter jelly eyes that the rest of the face looks really natural, so I don't have anything on my lips. I did go back in and add a little bit of extra highlight to kind of blend that into the eye to make it look more cohesive. And that's it. That's the final look, you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all next week. Bye!